The Empress, third number card of the major arcana. The Empress card is the indication of fertile earth, the sense, and shows the essence of being. This card shows full of feminine strength, sensuality, and a strong love relationship. When you see the image on the card, you can see a perfect weather all around her. She is adorned with a lush and vibrant clothes, bounty of jewels, food and flowers around her. This card shows a nurturing mother, our mother nature. When this card appears in a reading, it shows nurturing self-expression side of the person. It depicts a mother or a parent. The negative sides of this card shows you're anxious about something new approaching, not interested in children, not able to manage your current situation despite your efforts, so it's time to let go. This is a time to act now, being social and enjoy the nature. In a relationship reading, it shows peaceful and loving relationship. Be social, communication about your passion is required. It is a positive card for the pregnancy also. If you are single, so it is a good time to get a life partner. In a career reading, if this card comes, it shows wealth and productivity. Be ready to get the benefits. If you are thinking for the investment, it is a good time for the investment. Sometimes it shows work from home kind of job also. If you are interested in creative job which you are looking for, so this is the right time. You can have the opportunity to get such kind of job. For a yes no question, definitely it's a yes card. The Emperor, fourth number card of the major arcana. He looks like an old age person, like fatherly figure, but his old age governs his wisdom and experience. He is wearing a crown sitting on a throne, so he looks like a king, a authority figure. His red robe, we can see, represents his power and energy. He is sitting on a large throne which is made of a stone. The throne is bearing 4 ram's head, the symbol of Aries, ruled by planet Mars. He is holding an Ankh in the right hand, which is an Egyptian symbol of life, and his left hand he is holding a sphere kind of thing, the orb, which shows the world over he rules. We can see he wear a armor suit also, which shows protection from any threat. Specifically, it shows its emotional state, control on his emotional state. The mountains behind him, which shows his solid foundation, and the small river beneath the peaks of the mountain shows he is emotional too, but he is having good control on his emotions. If this card comes in a reading, it shows experience, leadership quality, a fatherly figure, leadership role, discipline, a solid foundation. It also shows long-term plans and goals. Sometimes it shows lack of emotions also. The person is not at all flexible, very stubborn. In career and finance reading, it is a very positive card. If venturing any new business, it will succeed. Long-term success in projects it shows while reading. The negative side of the card shows the bad management, lack of growth, etc. But it depends on the surrounding card. In a relationship reading, it talks about stable relationship, lack of emotions also. It also shows improvement in required in relationship. Sometimes in a relationship reading, it shows you need a help of a fatherly figure. If you are a single, so it shows you should be proactive while searching your life partner.